In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill a series in Google Sheets efficiently. Whether you're managing a budget, tracking progress, or scheduling tasks, knowing how to fill a series can save you a lot of time and effort. So let's get started and take a closer look at the process. First, you'll want to open a Google Sheet. If you're not yet familiar with Google Sheets, it's a powerful and free online spreadsheet application that allows you to collaborate with others in real time. Once you have your sheet open, let's move on to the next step. Imagine you have some data that you'd like to extend automatically. Maybe you're working with a sequence of numbers or days of the week. To do this, we're going to utilize the fill handle feature. Start by highlighting cells A2 and A3. These cells will form the basis of the pattern or sequence you want to continue. By selecting them, you're signaling to Google Sheets the type of series you want to extend. Now move your cursor to the bottom right corner of the highlighted selection, and your cursor should change into a small blue square. This is what you'll drag to fill your series. Click and drag that handle downwards up to cell A13. As you do this, you'll notice that Google Sheets automatically extends your series based on the pattern you've provided, whether it's numbers, dates, or custom sequences. Let's try this again with another set of cells. Highlight cells C2 and C3, just as you did before. You might want to extend a different type of sequence or continue building upon your earlier work. Once highlighted, locate the fill handle at the bottom right corner of your selection and click and drag it upwards to cell C8. Watch as your data seamlessly extends. The process is repeated for one more set of cells. This time, highlight cells E2 and E3. Remember, highlighting is crucial as it tells Google Sheets the type of pattern you're looking to continue. With the fill handle once again active, click and drag upwards until you reach cell E11. You should see your series autofill flawlessly, saving you the hassle of manually inputting each entry. Each time you use this feature, it applies logical pattern recognition to your data, making repetitive tasks simpler and more efficient. This is a great way to streamline data entry and ensure consistency across your spreadsheet. And there you have it. Filling a series in Google Sheets is straightforward and efficient. This feature can be incredibly handy for an array of tasks, enhancing your productivity by letting your spreadsheet do a lot of the heavy lifting. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you now feel more equipped to manage your Google Sheets like a pro. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.